Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our EVS 2 session. Today, we are going to learn and understand the first lesson of EVS 2. Okay, that is Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. Students, first let us discuss who was Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, Shivaji Maharaj was a great leader, as we are knowing. Yes, who was born in Maharashtra on 19th February 1630, and he also established Hindu Swaraj in Maharashtra. Yes, students, and he made the people of Maharashtra very happy, and he has done many things for the people of Maharashtra. So, students, it is important for us to learn about Shivaji Maharaj and Maharashtra. Yes, so in this year, we are going to learn about the history of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, history is a study of past event. So students, today we are going to learn about all the important events in the life of Shivaji Maharaj and the great work done by him. This all we are going to learn in this book, okay? But it is also important for us to know who were the rulers of Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj and what was the condition of that time of Maharashtra. Okay, so Shivaji Maharaj decided to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra. So let us begin our today's lesson, that is Maharashtra before Shivaji. Okay, students. So see here, Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. Yes, students, we celebrate his birth anniversary with a great pomp and with a great respect. Yes, it is very important day for all us. Yes, it is happy day for our you children. Yes, you sing songs and povadas in his honor. Povada is a type of song. Yes, students, you garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Yes, students, who was this Shivaji Maharaj? You know that? Who was the greatest? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Yes, students, the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of medieval period. Student, to understand history correctly, we divided this time into the periods. So ancient, medieval and modern. There are three periods. So Shivaji Maharaj was that of medieval period. Okay. In those days, monarch or the rule of the king prevailed everywhere. Monarch means there is a one king, means one person was ruling. Okay. And many of the kings perceived their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. They are not looking for their subjects, they are only enjoying their pleasures and their treasuries. Yes, but even those days there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. For example, the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishnadeva Raya of Vijayanagar in the south. They are very famous in history for their kind rule. Yes, and likewise, same Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today also. Yes, so these are the examples of some kings who are very loyal and they are very kind for their work. Okay, but some kings also there, they are not looking for their subjects, but Shivaji was not like that. So Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Yes, for about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, yes, before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. Yes, the large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. See what happened, students? These two people, means Nizam Shah and this Adil Shah, they have divided this Maharashtra among themselves. Yes, and they were not liberal in their work outlook, okay, and they oppressed the people over whom they ruled, and they were also use bad language. Enemies, they are also enemies of each other. Yes, they are not very good, and they always harass the people, and also they are fighting with each other. Yes, who? Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. They constantly fought with each other. With the results, what happened? The people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure for safety even at their homes, at their own homes. Yes, so that time what happened? The people were not happy because of these rulers, the sultans, and there was injustice everywhere. Yes, in Maharashtra, there were many Vatandas like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagir. They loved only their Jagirs, not their country. Yes, and the constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people, and there was misrule everywhere because of their behavior. And people were tired of these oppressions, yes, and were very unhappy. Because of this Vatandas, Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, Maharashtra people were not happy at that time. So Shivaji Maharaj saw all these. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. See how people were harassed with these people. See, this is Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. We can see here in this picture. Yes, students, and here now Shivaji saw all these things and he undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Vatandas who fought among themselves. Yes, and he then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindu Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. Yes, and he honored the sense of all religions. He drew inspirations from these noble deeds of Maharaj. During a period of about 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. Yes, students, so we shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. So, in the next chapter, we are going to see about the saints. In this chapter, what we have seen? Yes, students, that Maharashtra before Shivaji. Yes, how Maharashtra was there before Shivaji Maharaj. There were two rulers like Nizam Shah and Adil Shah was ruling in Maharashtra by dividing Maharashtra among themselves, yes, in two parts, and they started ruling in Maharashtra. But that time people were not happy because of these two men's behavior. Okay, they were always harassing the people. They are not getting even enough food to eat and not celebrating their festivals. They are not happy. They are not freely openly living in their homes also. So this was the reason why Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj. So students, I hope you have understood this chapter very well. So next chapter we are going to learn about the sense. Okay students, so thank you, stay safe, take care.